Hello, it's Tom from Oracle Time, and today we'll be looking at one of our favourite releases from SIHH 2019, the IWC Pilot's Watch Chronograph Top Gun Mojave Desert. As always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to make sure you keep up to date with all the latest luxury watch news and reviews. The Top Gun range was first introduced by IWC back in 2007, not taking its name from the film, but from the US Navy's Strike Fighter Tactics Instructor Program. The watches they have created using this name are therefore tough, robust pilot's watches designed to withstand immense G-force, be easy to read and be extremely corrosion resistant. For these models they have tended to use case materials such as ceramic and titanium, which are both lightweight and durable. Somewhat superficially, the reason that the Mojave drew our eye at SIHH was thanks to the beautiful desert-themed colourway that gives the watch its name. It's the first IWC to have used a sand-coloured ceramic, and the results are fantastic. The colour scheme is on trend, and when it's on your wrist, it gives off a modern-day adventurer vibe that makes you want to get out and explore the world. The inspiration for the colour combination is in part taken from the Mojave Desert, and obviously in part from the uniforms worn by elite Navy pilots. The colour actually comes from combining a zirconium oxide with other metallic oxides. This chronograph is powered by the trusty 69380 IWC manufactured caliber, which is a classic column wheel design drawing energy from the shock-resistant bidirectional pull winding system and has a 46-hour power reserve. The dark brown dial of the watch complements the sandy case perfectly and features the signature IWC pilot numerals and indices we know and love. Although the dial contains 3 sub-dials, the hour container at 9 o'clock, the minute counter at 12, and one for the small seconds at 6 o'clock, it isn't overly busy thanks to its generous case size. The case comes in at 44.5mm in diameter and 15.7mm tall, making it a fairly chunky piece of kit. However, to wear it's reasonably comfortable, partly thanks to the material strap it comes on, and the ceramic case, in terms of the weight, it's fairly lightweight. As usual from IWC, the build quality of the watch is exceptional. The chronograph pushers are extremely satisfying to push, which is always a must for a nice chronograph. And being limited just 500 pieces worldwide, it's expected to sell out pretty quickly thanks to its unique colourway. In terms of the cost, here in the UK it's priced at £7,450, which for a ceramic case chronograph, in-house chronograph, is fairly reasonable. Ultimately though, this watch is all about the aesthetic, so it's not going to be for IWC purists or collectors, but it is all about sort of how it looks. Although that may seem a little shallow, watches are really all about how they make you feel, and this one, well, it makes us feel like we want to jump on a motorcycle and set off on an adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more news and watch reviews. Thank you.